Thinkware 4K Dual Dash Cam U3000 front and rear with Sony STARVIS 2, radar parking, Super Night Vision 4.0, Wi-Fi, GPS, product review script. Hook, picture this. You're driving through a busy city, the sun is setting, and you're navigating tight spaces. Wouldn't it be nice to have a dash cam that captures every detail in crystal clear quality, even in low light? That's exactly what the Thinkware U3000 promises. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into the details. Quick intro. Hey there, welcome back to Autovated, where we help you stay informed on the latest automotive tech. Today, we're reviewing the Thinkware 4K Dual Dash Cam U3000, featuring front and rear cameras, Sony's STARVIS 2 sensor, advanced parking mode, and more. So, does this dash cam provide the peace of mind it promises for your daily drive? Let's find out. Product overview. The Thinkware U3000 is a top-tier 4K dual dash cam, designed to cover both the front and rear of your vehicle. It features Sony's STARVIS 2 sensor, which promises high-quality video capture even in low-light conditions. This dash cam also includes radar parking protection, meaning it can detect movement around your car while parked. The built-in Wi-Fi allows easy pairing and remote access, while GPS tags give you speed and location data for every recording. With its energy-saving features, it's made to last, extending your parking surveillance with time-lapse recording. Key features: 4K video quality with Sony STARVIS 2. This sensor ensures you'll capture clear, detailed footage of your surroundings, both day and night, with impressive clarity. It excels in low-light conditions, offering detailed night footage so you can catch crucial details like license plates, even when the lighting isn't ideal. Radar parking mode. One of the standout features is the radar-based parking protection. The dash cam can detect motion around your vehicle and start recording, all while saving power and extending coverage. This adds an extra layer of security when your car is parked. Wi-Fi and GPS. Quick Wi-Fi pairing makes controlling and setting up the camera a breeze. With built-in GPS, it also tags the footage with speed and location data, so you'll always have a detailed record of where and when an incident occurred. Super Night Vision 4.0. This feature boosts the cam's low-light performance, ensuring that even in dark conditions, your footage remains sharp and readable. Real-world testing and usage experience. I tested the Thinkware U3000 during both daylight and nighttime drives, and the results were impressive. The 4K footage captured sharp details, even in dimly lit parking lots. The radar parking mode was a pleasant surprise. It consistently triggered the camera when someone walked by, and the footage saved was extremely clear, helping me feel more secure when parked. Setting it up was simple, thanks to the Wi-Fi pairing, and the mobile app allowed me to view live footage remotely. The GPS data overlaid on the footage was especially helpful during a recent road trip, showing speed and location with every recording. Pros and cons. Pros: incredible video quality in both day and night conditions, especially with the Sony STARVIS 2 sensor. Radar parking mode offers peace of mind when your car is parked with intelligent movement detection. Wi-Fi and GPS functionality streamline control, and the GPS tags add valuable location data. Super Night Vision 4.0 ensures clear, detailed footage in low light or at night. Cons. Price. This isn't the cheapest dash cam on the market, so it may not fit every budget. Installation. While it's not overly complex, hardwiring the camera into your vehicle for permanent installation can be a bit time-consuming. Value for money. At its price point, the Thinkware U3000 is an investment. However, when you factor in the 4K video quality, radar parking protection, advanced night vision, and reliable GPS features, it offers excellent value for those looking for top-tier security for both day and night driving. If you're after something more affordable, there are other options, but none offer this level of performance in such a comprehensive package. Comparison. Compared to its competitors like the Blackview DR900X2CH, the Thinkware U3000 offers superior night vision thanks to the STARVIS 2 sensor, and the radar parking mode is a unique feature not commonly found in other models. However, the Blackview may be easier to install, and its price point is more accessible, but you might be sacrificing some of the U3000's premium features. Midway call to action. If this review is helping you find the right dash cam to secure your ride, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest, in-depth reviews that keep you in the know. Build quality and longevity. The Thinkware U3000 feels solid, with durable materials designed to withstand both heat and cold, making it a reliable companion for year-round use. While long-term reliability data is limited, Thinkware has a strong reputation for producing high-quality, long-lasting products, so you can expect this one to hold up well over time. Customer support. I've read positive feedback about Thinkware's customer service. Users report that the company is responsive and their support team is helpful with troubleshooting installation issues. While I haven't personally interacted with them, this track record suggests you'll have assistance if needed. Who it's for. The Thinkware U3000 is best suited for commuters, rideshare drivers, and families who want comprehensive coverage, peace of mind, and high-quality video capture. It's also ideal for those who often park in busy or unfamiliar areas and want the added security of radar-based parking protection. However, if you're just looking for a basic dash cam without the premium features, you might want to look elsewhere. Conclusion. Strong option. The Thinkware U3000 is one of the strongest choices in its class, especially for those who need detailed video capture day and night, with added features like radar parking protection and real-time GPS tagging. If you value high-quality footage and extra security features, this is a solid pick. End of video engagement. Thanks for watching. If you're looking to grab the Thinkware U3000, check the product link in the comments box below. Have questions or thoughts on the U3000? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay automated.